I want to do this is your drive, your will to continue. If you want to work in music, you work in music and you do it. The work is there. You have to find it, of course. The way you find it is by continuing to do it. If you want to be a songwriter, write songs. Write as many, many songs as you can. Songwriting in and to itself is a skill. The more you practice one skill, the better at it you get. The trick, I think, in music right now is to figure out what the exact skill set is you're after. If you want to do song remixing, remix as many songs as you can. If you want to write songs, remix as many songs as you can. I would say remixing also goes with production as well. If you want to be an audio producer, remix as well, because that's a way to get your stuff in with DJs. But to do it, there are so many avenues, but just if you want to be someone that makes beats, focus on making beats and do that. Make it a part of your daily thing. Spend as much time as you can doing it, so that it's when those opportunities do appear, and they will as you continue to do it. The more you continue to do it, the more opportunities you'll start to see. And the more you're doing it, the more you'll be ready at that moment when those challenges appear also. It's like in anything that you do, there's a muscle memory to it. There's a fluidity that comes with it, you know? And so the more that you're immerse yourself in it, the more fulfillment I think that you find in it, but the more it grows.